Now, the medically it is proven, the quantum physics has proven it, that every matter is made up of atoms. Yes or no? So if I say every DNA is made up of atom, am I right or wrong? Right. Medically I am right. Now, is it the atomic configuration which is responsible for the matter, or it is something else? Please tell me. Atomic configuration, yes or no? Atomic configuration. Now, what is that energy which is influencing the atomic configuration? Now I have bypassed that problem that the mother has eye problem, the child will have eyes problem. Because I have come out of the physical body. I am no more in the physical body. Or am I in the physical body? Please tell me. Am I out of the, after DNA, am I out of the physical body or not? So all the disease and everything I have left there or not? So that means it is not the body which is responsible to give birth to the diseased body. Am I right or wrong? Now I have come to the physics part. From biology, I have moved out. The quantum physics, the atoms, our atomic configuration is responsible. Now who is creating that atomic configuration? Who is putting that block, one block here, one block here, one here, one here, and it gives birth to a DNA or DNA behavior or whatever it is, or the cells, because I am not a scientist, but it is as a layman I am asking the questions. Now, when I come to the atoms, I am again revising, because I want to clear all the doubts of everyone, crystal clear doubts. Because if your doctor is saying, come on, you are in a high risk of getting cancer, and you are very convinced to him, and you are going every week or regularly, come on doctor, please check up, did I get the cancer? And I can tell you, surely that person is going to get cancer. Why? It is not because my genes are responsible, it is not my cells are responsible, but the responsibility lies somewhere else. And that is that atoms, they constitute only 0.001% of the total area. Rest of the area, more than 99.99999%, is the empty space. And that is the empty space where the self resides. The self is there, but the self is infested with Maya. You call it, no? Maya se vashibhut hokar ke जीवात्मा 84 लाख योनि में प्रवेश करती है. माया से वशीभूत होके जीवात्मा अपने जीवन में दुख पैदा करता है, दुख को भोगता है और त्राहिमाम त्राहिमाम करता है. Now here I am coming to that. I am the self. I am the purest of the pure self. I am the infinite. I have the infinite power. Whatever I want, I can create that. If I want absolutely healthy children, through the self, I can create very healthy children. And if I am stuck in Maya and stuck in doubt and stuck in fear, my energy, because I am the energy, because self is energy, self is vibration, self is the consciousness. And I am the one who is responsible for creating the atomic configuration. If I am ignorant, I will create a wrong atomic configuration. And if I am absolutely pure, what atomic configuration I'll create? A very healthy, the one which I want. This is what I want to tell you. It all depends on you. It all depends on your belief system.